Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to open Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Samsung voice recorder. Then install this free app from this developer and when it's ready, open it. Now we need to click on this X at the top right corner and tap on this red button. Then select while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. And as you can see, my recording is now on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by clicking on the middle button. Now if you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left icon, type in wherever you wish to or not at all and tap on OK. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the check mark. Now tap Save at the top right corner and rename your recordings by clicking on those three dots on the chosen ones. Then select Rename option, type in wherever you wish to and save your changes by clicking OK. In order to listen to your recording, you need to click on it. In order to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it and click on this delete icon at the top. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. But you can also delete your recording right away while creating it by pausing it, choosing this card at the bottom left corner over here and clicking on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!